Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Wednesday, November 27th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day, so it definitely looked like the bear took vacation or took Thanksgiving for these markets, especially the grain markets, as we really struggled today and found a whole lot of selling pressure coming into the close. Corn market down 5 cents, soybeans down 2 cents, Chicago wheat down 5, Kansas City down 7.5 cents, Minneapolis wheat down over 3 cents. So a lot of red across the board as they really just saw traders step away and really sell this market. We're at some levels now that we need to find a bottom here, especially into the corn market. When you look at a soybean chart, it looks like, it has room to go a little bit lower, as you really have not seen any indicators of any turnaround, and there's just a lot of negative news out there. Kind of surprising you saw corn market down 5 as you had friendly ethanol information once again here. Stocks decreased while production increased, and really you have a lot of information coming around this ethanol market that is friendly. Basis is extremely friendly right now into the corn market, and the demand is hot. We just cannot get the export side of things picked up, but to be honest, that's a smaller player when you look at the S&Ds, so it's a little bit surprising you're not able to see this market kind of turn around. Soybeans, however, found a little bit of pressure yesterday. News came out that China is trying to work a free trade deal with Brazil. Today came out that almost 100% of October exports from Argentina were to China, so they've really built up that relationship there, and that's disappointing that you're not seeing China come here. Now, we have seen big purchases from China here into our beans, but just not enough, and still disappointing that they're still getting so many beans from Argentina and Brazil right now. When you flip over to meat markets, live cattle, feeder cattle, both about $1 higher on the day, as you have thoughts of friendly cash trade. If it doesn't happen soon, it probably won't happen this week as you have that holiday trade, but nonetheless, asking prices have been on the higher side. And then when you look at the hog market, slightly lower on the day. Outside markets, nothing to really talk about. So we have no markets here tomorrow for Thanksgiving, and then Friday we will have shorter market hours for both cattle and grain markets, as you give that little bit of a break here on the rest of the holiday weekend. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and option involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great Thanksgiving.